Coreceptors CD4 and CD8. Today we will study structure and importance of these coreceptors. Mature T cells can be divided into two types, and this is based on the expression of two accessory molecules CD4 and CD8 on their plasma membrane. The T cells expressing CD4 molecules on the plasma membrane are designated as CD4 positive T cells. The T cells expressing CD8 molecules on the plasma membrane are designated as CD8 positive T cells. CD4 and CD8 molecules are known as coreceptors. We know that T cells recognize and bind peptide antigens only when they are presented in combination with MHC molecule. T cells not only recognize the peptide antigen but also the class of MHC molecule. The recognition of MHC molecule is mediated by coreceptors. The CD4 bind to the class II MHC molecule of MHC2 peptide complex, whereas CD8 bind to the class I MHC molecule of the MHC1 peptide complex. Let's find out more details about these coreceptors. Coreceptor CD4. CD4 is expressed by helper T cells. It is expressed as a single polypeptide chain which has a molecular weight of 55 kilodaltons. It has 4 extracellular domains designated as D1, D2, D3, and D4. It also has a hydrophobic transmembrane region and a long cytoplasmic tail. CD4 molecule binds to MHC2 molecule. Let's zoom in. Here you can see that CD4 binds to the beta-2 domain of this MHC2 molecule. Coreceptor CD8. CD8 is expressed by cytotoxic T cells. It is expressed as a dimer consisting of 2 polypeptide chains, alpha chain and beta chain. Each chain has a molecular weight of 30 to 39 kilodaltons. Each chain has a single extracellular domain, a hydrophobic transmembrane region and a cytoplasmic tail. CD8 molecule binds to MHC1 molecule. Let's zoom in. Here we can see that CD8 binds to the alpha-3 domain of this MHC1 molecule. Let's have a look on the main functions of coreceptors CD4 and CD8. They act as recognition and adhesion molecules. They recognize and bind MHC molecule and enhance intracellular adhesion between T cells and the target or antigen-presenting cells. They enhance the signaling process for T cell activation. So, now we understand what are coreceptors and their function. In the next lecture we will talk about T cell activation. You should always remember the relationship between coreceptors and MHC molecules. CD4 coreceptor always bind MHC2 molecule and CD8 coreceptors always bind MHC1 molecule.